This is it. A ceasefire finally in the Gaza Strip. For families here, the emotions are mixed. Of course, happiness and relief that they might have survived the unthinkable, that the killing should stop, but also a deep sense of sadness and grief of everything that's been taken from them, their homes, their family members, their dreams, and an awareness that even with a ceasefire, life won't necessarily go back to the way it was before. For children here in the Gaza Strip, they have a right to return to a life free of fear, and this is our opportunity to seize and return that right for children in Gaza. The ceasefire must be upheld, children must be protected, aid must flow. And the UN is here and ready. We have a plan, we have the team on the ground, and we have supplies moving. UNICEF is delivering aid to children and women in their places of refuge, nutrition supplies, medical care, education to help children have a moment again of just being a child. The world has failed Gaza's children for 2 years. This ceasefire is our opportunity to help children return to that life that was taken from them. And it begins now with the immediate scaling up of supplies and the protection of children under this ceasefire.